Question number 171. Myelin sheath insulating neurons of CNS is formed by glial cells named. And the options are microglial cells, Schwann cells, neuralemocytes, oligodendrocytes. Myelin sheath insulating neurons of CNS is formed by glial cells called oligodendrocytes. So, in CNS, oligodendrocytes form myelin sheath, whereas in PNS, Schwann cells, also known as neuralemocytes, form myelin sheath around neurons. So option number 3, neuralemocytes, and option number 2, Schwann cells, are incorrect options because these cells form myelin sheath around neurons in PNS. And the first option, microglial cells, is an incorrect option. Microglial cells are phagocytic or scavenger cells in neural system. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 172. Choose the feature which is not true for medullated nerve fibers of PNS. And the very first statement given is they appear grey in color. And as it is an incorrect statement, this is a correct answer to our question. Because myelin sheath or medullated nerve fibers which are covered by myelin sheath is composed of lipids, and presence of lipids gives a white appearance to these neurons. On the other hand, non-myelinated nerve fibers appear grey in color. The next statement is they exhibit saltatory conduction of nerve impulse. And as it is a correct statement with respect to medullated nerve fibers of PNS, this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Next option is nodes of Ranvier are present in them. And as it is also a correct statement, this cannot be a correct answer to our question. The last statement is they are protected by neurolemma. And this is also a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Neurolemma is the outermost protective covering formed by Schwann cells around neuron. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 173. Visceral muscle fibers. Visceral muscle fibers or smooth muscle fibers? Yes? And smooth muscle fibers are unstriped or unstriated, involuntary, uninucleated, unbranched muscle fibers present in the wall of hollow organs such as wall of stomach, wall of intestine, etc. Now let's discuss the options. The very first option is are branched in appearance. So this is an incorrect statement because these are unbranched. Second option is do not contract according to our will. And as it is a correct statement, this is a correct answer to our question because these are involuntary in nature and do not contract according to our will. The next option is cylindrical in appearance, and this is an incorrect option because smooth muscle fibers are fusiform shaped or spindle shaped in appearance. And the last option given is lack gap junctions, and this is also incorrect because smooth muscle fibers, they have gap junctions which permit coordinated contractions. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 174. Read the properties given in the box below. And the properties given are excitability, elasticity, uninucleated, presence of intercalated discs, and last property is long refractory period. These properties can be associated with muscle fibers present in which location, and the locations given are triceps, lungs, heart, wall of stomach. Now the property, which is presence of intercalated disc, is a unique feature of cardiac muscle fibers. They show the presence of intercalated discs, and these cardiac muscle fibers are present in heart. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss rest of the options. Now the property excitability and elasticity is exhibited by cardiac muscle fibers, smooth muscle fibers as well as skeletal muscle fibers also. But uninucleated muscle fibers are smooth muscle fibers and cardiac muscle fibers. But intercalated discs are present in cardiac muscle fibers only, and they have long refractory period. Option 1, tricep, is an incorrect option. They have skeletal muscle fibers which lack intercalated discs, whereas option number 2, lungs, and option number 4, wall of stomach, are also incorrect options, as the muscle fibers that are present in these locations also lack intercalated discs. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 175. Type of cartilage present in or at pubic symphysis is also present in or at. Options are tip of nose, intervertebral, discs, rings of trachea, epiglottis. Type of cartilage present in pubic symphysis is white fibrous cartilage, which is also present in intervertebral discs. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Type of cartilage present in pubic symphysis is also present in intervertebral discs. Let's discuss rest of the options. The very first option, tip of nose, and the last option, epiglottis, are incorrect options because elastic cartilage is present at the tip of nose and in epiglottis, whereas the rings of trachea is also an incorrect option because hyaline cartilage is present in rings of trachea. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Now let's move on to the next question.